Okay, so this video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about business cards. So business cards, I don't know if there's something that anybody uses these days, especially not at the moment without face-to-face networking events and things like that happening. But hopefully, once we can get back together and we can get back to face-to-face events, networking, different types of business events and meetings, we will probably get back to using our business cards. They are a fantastic tool for giving to someone to have on their desk. You are very visible, you're there, they've got your contact details, and they can get in touch. So creating a business card is a really good thing to do. So I'm just going to go up to create a design and I'm going to type in business card so that we get the right size template. And there are a lot of different templates for business cards. Most of them have got 2 pages, so there's a front and a back, and you can use a template if you find one that suits your business. Absolutely loads of wonderful business card templates here, so that's a really pretty one. I've used that background before. But what I'm going to do is just create one from scratch. So on the first page, I want to have my logo. So as I have Pro, I can go to folders and I can go to logo, and I've actually got graphics of my logo already there. If you want to have your business cards printed off, make sure that any images that you add on are suitable and higher quality enough for actual printing. And I just want this to be a really simple design. So this could either be the front or the back. I'm going to go to elements and just type in square. Actually, I'm going to pick that one, that's nice. Nice curved edges. And I'm just going to give this a border. So this could be the front, this could be the back, but giving it a border just finishes it off a bit. And I'm going to make it just a light pink to match the logo. So keeping your fonts, your colours, and any imagery or illustrations you use on your business card in keeping with your brand. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do for one side. Nice and simple, just my logo. And then on the other side, I'm going to colour this to match the first side. Next, I want to add something, a little flourish, a little design, just something that makes this stand out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add a circle. I love circles. They're soft, they're feminine, they're natural. And I'm going to change it to white, and I'm going to add, this is where you can get creative. Now I tend to use this. I love this circle and I use this in my logo. I'm going to use this in this. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3-ish. And I'm going to change these to match my brand colours. So 1, 2, and 3. These are the colours I tend to use quite a lot. Okay, so we need some information on here now. And I'm going to add what I do. Digital design and Canva creator. I'm going to have the text all over to one side. So I'm going to have what I do at the top. Then I'm going to have my business name. So we do need to have our business name on our business cards. And I'm going to make this big because this is an important piece of information on here. But I'm going to line it up with my fonts. I'm going to have all of my font down the left hand side because we read designs from left to right. So I want people to read this correctly. Okay, I'm also going to have on here something very important, my name. And I'm also going to add a couple of contactable ways. So I'm going to go laura@anchoronline.co.uk, and I'm also going to have my email address, which is not email address, web address. anchoronline.co.uk. So I'm going to use a Grande Wild. It's one of the fonts I tend to use. Actually, I will show you a little trick. To change lots of fonts, so I've got 3 text boxes. If you highlight them all, it groups them together, and then you can change the fonts for the whole lot rather than doing them individually. Okay, so I've got what I do, my business name, who I am, and ways to contact me. I want to change the colour of these because black is not a nice colour. That's another little trick there. Highlight the whole lot and you can change the colour all in one go. So I think that's it. I quite like that. So on the front or the back, depending on how you look at this, I've just got my logo and a simple border. And then on the other side, I've got my business name, what I do, who I am, and ways to contact me. So I have actually had this design printed. I clicked print business cards up here. And you can actually have them printed through Canva. So single side or double side. And then you can choose the different types of paper, how many copies you want. There is an offer at the moment, which is fantastic. So you can choose to print your designs yourself. It then goes through lots of helpful ways so that you know you're kept within the safety lines. So I have created this knowing that my information on both sides is within the safety lines. I'll click continue. It just shows you the red zone, so you know anything outside of that may get cut off. So I may want to move my my pink square in a little bit, and then you can continue. So I could change this image here to a higher quality one. If I continue, so time to do a proofread. So you can download it as a PDF and you can actually go through and have your business cards printed through Canva, which is a fantastic thing to do. I've actually done this. When they arrive, I will be showing everybody in my Facebook group, which is Canva and WordPress Made Simple. And yeah, we'll see what they're like when they arrive. So that is it for this video. I hope you have found it useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing everybody's finished designs.